Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to save your backup recovery key on Mega account. So first we're going to go to the Mega app, then next you're going to click on menu on the lower right corner. So once you're here, you're going to click on your name. So here there's the backup recovery key, you're going to click on it, then click on save. So now your recovery key has been exported. So in case of you losing your account, you guys could use this recovery key to save your account. So that's the relevance of the backup recovery key in general. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.